A very powerful earthquake shook Southeast Asia. On March 20, the earthquake measured 7.7, having its epicenter near Mandalay with population of 1.2 million in Myanmar, caused widespread destruction across Myanmar. The impact was felt as far as Thailand, China, Vietnam, and India. The earthquake severely damaged key infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and buildings. In Myanmar, the largest bridge connecting Sagaing and Mandalay was literally destroyed. In Thailand, a skyscraper under construction collapsed in Bangkok.